Polynomials are a fundamental part of algebra, and learning how to add and subtract them is an essential skill for any student of mathematics. In this video, we will explore the basics of adding and subtracting polynomials. Let's start with the basics. Polynomials are expressions that have one or more terms. Terms are separated by plus or minus signs, and each term can have a coefficient and a variable raised to a certain power. For example, in this polynomial, 2 is the coefficient of the first term, x is the variable, and 2 is the power to which x is raised, and it is the degree of the polynomial. And in this polynomial, -3 is the coefficient of the last term, x is the variable, and 2 is the power to which x is raised, and it is the degree of the polynomial. Now let's add these two polynomials together. We simply combine like terms, which means we add together any terms that have the same variable raised to the same power. So 2x squared plus 3x squared equals 5x squared. 3x plus -2x equals 1x, which is x. And -1 plus 8 equals 7. So the answer is 5x squared plus x plus 7. Now let's subtract the first polynomial from the second. We do this by distributing a negative sign to each term in the second polynomial and then adding the resulting polynomials together. So 3x squared plus -2x squared equals x squared. -2x plus -3x equals -5x. And 8 plus 1 equals 9. So the answer is x squared minus 5x plus 9. And there you have it. Adding and subtracting polynomials is as simple as combining like terms. Practice this skill and you'll be well on your way to mastering algebra. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.